Reading English is fun. Let's read two-letter sounds of I mixed with D, M, N, S, T. Here what you see in this picture, yes, it's an injection. So whenever you see letter I, remember the injection and read I as E. How? E, E, E. Okay? It's a doll. So whenever you see letter D, remember the doll and read it as D, D. What is this? It's a monkey. So whenever you see letter M, remember monkey and read M as M, M. What's this? It's a net. So whenever you see letter N, remember the net and read N as N, N. What's this? It's a sun. So whenever you see letter S, remember the sun and read the S as S, S. What's this? It's a tiger. So whenever you see letter T, remember the tiger and read T as T, T. Now shall we read it together? Injections E, dolls D, E, D, E, D. Injections E, monkeys M, E, M, M. Injections E, nets N, E, N, in. Injections E, suns S, E, S, is S. Injections E, tigers T, T. Dolls D, injections E, D, E, D. Monkeys M, injections E, M, E, me. Nets N, injections E, N, E, ni. Suns S, injections E, S, E, C. Tigers T, injections E, T, E, T. Now let's read it speedily. Id, im, in, is, it. D, me, ni, si, T. There are so many such videos in our channel. Watch it and try to read. Become good readers. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.